And this is Sawdust and Flames. We've been here for a year. We are veteran owned. The majority of the stuff in our store is all handmade locally. We sell wood items. We engrave on them. We will also laser on them. We have candles. We have all sorts of home decor. So come in and check us out. And we're at 13 West Main in Marshalltown in the Elbert building. And our hours are Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 10 to 4 and Saturdays 10 to 1. We'd love to have you come in.